Hey guys, make a short chainsaw video. Here we go. We got some Johnsers. Piece of crap. These the old 2150 or 2141 I found on the number there. But anyway. Here, fuel, vent. It goes right down here. Right into there. And it took me a long time to find it. It's hard to find anything on the internet. Just put a guitar string in through there, through the little hole, and you make some noise. Blow through it, it makes a little noise like that. And that's sufficient, I guess. Right in there, guys. I looked all over the other side, and anyway, good short.